Hi there, students. To revoke, a verb. Revocable as an adjective, or more usefully, the opposite, irrevocable. And the adverb of that, irrevocably. Okay, let's see. To revoke means to say officially that a permit or a law or a decision has been reversed, that it's no longer in effect. So the bill that went through Parliament, a law, was revoked. The Parliament revoked the law. They repealed it. They rescinded it. Okay, and this is the idea of to revoke. So something that's revocable is something that you can take back. And then we have this nice word, irrevocable, not able to be changed. It's not possible to reverse it or to make it better. So the car was irrevocably damaged in the accident. So irreversible, yeah? Not possible to remedy, yeah? Not possible to repair, so completely unrepairable, yeah? Okay, so to revoke, to call back something, to say that it's no longer valid, that it's no longer effective. Yeah, for example, you could revoke somebody's license. Yeah, he was caught with drunken driving, and they revoked his license. Yeah, they revoked his driving license. Okay, the bank transfer was wrong, and I revoked it. I cancelled it. You can actually even have an irrevocable letter of credit. Okay, this is when maybe a buyer and a seller, the buyer gives the seller an irrevocable letter of credit. It's a letter of credit that nobody can cancel. Okay, so to revoke, to cancel, to invalidate by reversing, by withdrawing. Yeah, he made a new will and revoked all former wills that he had made. Okay, so revocable, something that can be changed, something that can be revoked. So your promotion in the company is revocable if you make any mistakes. It's revocable for the first 6 months, so we could take it away from you. And then irrevocable, final. Yeah, you can't retract it. You can't make it, take it back. This is an irrevocable decision. Yeah, you have acted irrevocably, and now the only path is forwards. Yeah, if you burn your bridges, then you've done something irrevocable. You've behaved irrevocably. So it's quite a good word. Let's see. What about formality? To revoke. It sounds very, very formal, very legal. I think I would probably give it a 7 in formality. Yeah, used to cancel or something like that. Revocable, changeable. Yeah, 7 in formality again. Irrevocable, I think I'd probably give it a fraction less, 6.5. And I think irrevocably, again, 6.5. You could just about use it in an informal conversation. The plan is irrevocably flawed, and we have to put together a new plan. Yeah, the damage to the computer is irrevocable. It's irrevocably damaged. You can't get it back. You can't bring it back. Okay, and then as to origin, well, this comes from revocare, okay, in Latin. Yeah, re, I think in this case back, and vocare to call, to summon. So to call back, literally. Yeah, and you've got in Latin as well, irrevocabilis, meaning impossible to revoke. Okay, so yeah, his permission was revoked. His permission to take a week off was revoked by the company. But notice, quite a formal word. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To revoke, revocable, irrevocable.